Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Adobe Sign to request signatures. And so the first thing you're going to have to do is go to acrobat.adobe.com and log in or use their free 7-day subscription. So we're going to click on e-sign and it's going to go to a page of buttons. We're going to click request e-signatures and it will ask you to upload a file. I have one prepared. It's a sample invoice PDF, so we upload that and just hit continue. And here is the field where you're going to type the email address of the person you want the signature from and then their name. So I'm just putting in John Doe. And then you hit prepare document, and then right here it says click to place fields where the recipient needs to fill and sign. So we're going to go up to the left here, and there's going to be an option for text, and we're going to add a text field that just says signature to prompt John Doe to put their signature below. And then again on the left side here, we're going to look at all of our options for what we can do. But what we want to do is add a signature field. So click e-signature, and then it's going to connect a signature field to your arrow. Just click to drop it on there, and you can resize it. And now that's the field the person is going to sign. And then come over here to review and send, and it'll come to, the name of the invoice. You can write a message to the person, please review and sign sample invoice PDF. It's going to that email address and just hit send. And then it will email out that request, and the sample invoice PDF was successfully sent for signature, and just hit back to home. Now if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and as always, if you have comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below.